Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? Let's do the reading for the day. Now before I start, I hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel so that you're notified whenever the video is premiered and you all are updated as and when my new videos come. So let's see what the cards are going to say today. I don't go with reversal cards, most of you all know. So okay, now that's the Four of Wands. I feel a bright day. Do you all see? It has a rainbow light on top. So somewhere I feel everything, be it your home, your personal life, your professional life, your career, everything is going proper today. Things are bright and everything combined will give a beautiful result. Also, I don't know, when I am seeing the card suddenly, for me this image is coming in my mind. If there's someone out there who's looking for an opening in their career, or a road opening, or a pathway opening in their life, then the pathway opening is happening today. Some good news is coming. Offer letter for some. And if someone is looking for a particular university to get admitted for their college admissions, then that will happen. If you are looking at a career path opening in a particular company, then that is also happening today. Overall, whatever you're planning in, or whatever it is that you've been waiting for a long time, that is happening. So let's see what the next card says. Okay, now I love this hermit card because this hermit is talking about nothing but brightness. Do you see him with a bright light? So I really loved it, and I'm happy that. But I feel to get this bright light, something is missing. Now, what is missing? Let's see the abundance cards. Beautiful, energetic healing, clearing. See, empty your fear and attachments. Prepare to receive her luminous plan. So for me always Baba comes. Kali Mata is blessing you. She is telling you, accept my energies and go with the flow, and today the day is all yours. Again today, when I was telling, Kali Mata saying the time, the recording time was 2.22, because for me number 2 is the number of divine and mother, and there she is saying, I am there, I am blessing you. Not divine, number 2 is not for divine mother mainly, number 2 is for feminine. So here the feminine energy is saying, I am there to bless you and clear your energy. So today, before I finish the reading, those who all are seeing this after the video, just for 5 minutes, close your eyes, imagine, call on her, tell her, Kali Mata, I am ready to receive the blessings, your energy which you wanted me to receive during the reading. And just close your eyes and imagine a green light coming to you, a green light cleansing you completely, removing all the unwanted energies that are as obstacles in your life, and refreshing you. And if you really felt the energies, and if you really felt beautiful energies, do leave a comment. And believe me, whenever I see comments and whenever I see you people, being happy with the readings and resonating with me, then I try bringing in more and more such videos. That's the main reason. So let me know whether you were blessed by Kalima today, and I'm sure those who will be blessed will definitely feel the change for the day, and will definitely leave me a message saying in the YouTube saying that yes, the day went good. Okay, so now as usual, let's do the final card. This week I've been doing in this way only. Okay, see, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic teacher. This card always resonates with me beautifully. Now, those of you out there who take me as a guru, and or me as your high priestess, I would suggest, look at this card. This card is saying, you are under me and I am there also to bless you. But other than that, this also means that you should be on a path of devotion, and when you are devoted, you will see the beauty of everything around you. Now, when this card comes, it says that the Mother Earth is always there, admiring you, helping you, blessing you. Hear the whispers of the Mother Earth, and every time you devote your time to the Mother Earth, you will see a shift in your vibration, you will see a shift in your energies. Also today, I would suggest, in the morning, when you have your bath, it's okay if you don't use any rock salt or essential oils or anything. Just when you have your bath, as the water pours on your body through the shower or through your hands, just say, I surround myself with beauty and love. I create beauty and love wherever I go. Say that 5 times and then have your bath, and you will see a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day today. Have a blessed day.